Do you have white teeth or are they yellowing? Even if they clean their teeth twice a day, some people's teeth are discolored by drinking coffee, tea, or smoking. Many people believe that only dangerous foods discolor teeth, however, this is not the case. Any dark food can make your teeth lose their whiteness. The following are some of the causes of teeth becoming yellow, beige, or brown. Having a cup of coffee or tea. Smoking. Enamel loss due to aging. Eating processed foods rich in acid, including sodas, sweets, or certain fruits. Taking antibiotics. Genetic factors. Fortunately, several simple and effective homemade recipes can help you naturally whiten your teeth. Let's look at how to whiten your teeth with simply 2 simple ingredients. You'll need the following ingredients for this recipe. 1. Turmeric is a natural teeth whitener with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial characteristics that are effective against ulcers. 2. Coconut oil is a potent bactericide and germicide that is great for destroying oral bacteria. It also aids in tooth whitening. Coconut oil has antibacterial qualities, which are beneficial to your gums. Enjoying the video? Then, give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Write down the ingredients. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. In a cup, combine the coconut oil and turmeric and whisk until totally smooth. It'll turn into a kind of orange juice. This combination can be used instead of regular toothpaste to whiten teeth. How to use it? This natural teeth whitener works best when used in conjunction with a fresh, soft bristled toothbrush. Simply brush your teeth with this turmeric and coconut oil toothpaste to use it. Your brushing method, on the other hand, must be done correctly in order to reach all of your teeth. At the very least, it should take 2 minutes. Simply use this natural whitener instead of your normal toothpaste. In a few days, you'll be able to see the results. It's also possible to use solely coconut oil. The outcome, on the other hand, will take longer. See how simple and inexpensive it is to whiten your teeth? Try it out and let us know what you think in the comments. If you gained any value in this video, kindly like the video and share it with your friends. For more secrets and tips, subscribe to the channel. Stay healthy.